Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are feeling amazing, happy, healthy, and inspired to launch your businesses or grow your existing businesses. Today we are talking about the top 3 biggest marketing mistakes that I see juice business owners make. Before we dive in, if you guys are new to the channel and you don't know who I am and you don't know what we do, over the last 10 years, myself and our company has had the pleasure of running our own juice business concepts as well as supporting hundreds of people all over the world do the same. So all the information you're getting here is actually coming from experience. Now, before we dive into today's topic of conversation, these videos do take a lot of energy to make, so I want to invite you to press the thumbs up button that really supports the channel and also encourages us to make more videos for you all. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, press the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you get alerted anytime we release new content. Now, diving in, as I'm sure you guys know, and for me, I always knew marketing was important, but it took me a long time as an entrepreneur to do this well and really understand how important it is. So I want to go over the top 3 things that I see juice business owners make in terms of mistakes, and hopefully you guys can avoid these things and apply what I'm telling you to make sure that as many people as possible know about your business, because we know that marketing drives sales, sales drives income. Like I always say in the beginning, it's not the best businesses that are the most successful. It's good businesses that are marketed the best. So understand that. Now, what's the first mistake that I see juice business owners make around their marketing? It is that they don't invest in their marketing first. I was speaking to somebody and they were telling me, which I hear actually quite often, is that when I make money, then I'll invest money in marketing, right? That's very similar to putting the cart before the horse. That's like people also have told me in the past, like, I don't practice yoga because I'm not flexible. And it's like, well, that's the whole reason that you actually go to yoga practice, so you can get flexible. If you're waiting to make money to invest in marketing, but your business isn't making money, it's because you haven't invested in marketing, right? So marketing comes first, sales come after. Now, granted, it is important that you market your business well and you do it effectively, because just because you're spending money towards marketing doesn't mean that you're doing it effectively. So that's critical. And before I proceed, just so you guys are aware, this is a service that our company provides. If you are struggling with your marketing or you want to find out how you can optimize and have the greatest impact with your marketing, send me a message. Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com would be happy to discuss how we can support you. So number 2, what is the second biggest mistake that I see juice business owners make when it comes to their marketing? It is that they don't understand the phases of marketing. I always say there's 2 phases of marketing. The first phase is the saturation phase. Second phase is the retriggering phase. And so the mistake that juice business owners make is they don't understand these phases and they don't implement them effectively. So the saturation phase is the phase where you want to have as many people in your local environment know about your business as possible. If somebody's walking into your store 6 months after you've been open or a year after you've been open and they tell you, hey, I live around the corner, but I didn't even know your business was here, that means that you didn't saturate the environment appropriately. So a lot of people don't invest the money that's necessary up front to saturate the environment because they don't understand the long-term value of saturation. When people are thinking about upfront investments in marketing, oftentimes they're thinking about, well, if I spend $5,000 in my marketing up front, I need to make $10,000 that same month. When marketing is very much like building customer equity, you have to ask yourself, what is the long-term value of my customer? If I invest $5,000 today in saturating my market or $10,000 today in saturating my local market, and that increases the exposure to the people who can come and purchase from me 5 times, 10 times, guess what? Now I have a larger pool of existing customers that are going to visit me on a regular basis, which plays into the second phase of marketing, which is the re-triggering phase, right? There are 3 ways that any business makes money. The first phase is getting new customers. That's the saturation phase. The second way that businesses make money is through getting your existing customers to purchase from you more often. This is part of the re-triggering phase. And then the third way that you can make money as a business owner is by getting those existing customers to spend more money at your business. So let's just revisit all of this. 2 phases of marketing. First phase is saturation. That means exposure. That means investing money in Facebook ads and Google ads and Instagram campaigns and really giving people compelling offers to come into your business. Then once they come into your business, you want to capture their attention. You want to get their email address. You want to get their to follow you on Instagram, right? You want to stay in touch with them so you can do your best to re-trigger them to come into your business more often and to invest more money. So the big mistake that people make is they don't understand these 2 phases and they don't invest the time and attention and money in their marketing for the saturation phase and for the re-triggering phase. Because of the first thing that I told you, right, is because they're waiting for their business to make money before they invest in their marketing, but it doesn't work that way. You have to invest in your marketing first, and then the money will follow. Okay, so that's number 2. Now, what's the third mistake? This is juice business owners marketing poorly branded businesses. Now, you can raise all the awareness in the world about your company, but if people aren't trusting your business when they come to your website, when they see your product photography, when they go to your Instagram page, right? When they see how your business is presenting itself, when they walk into your store, then you're marketing a company that's not going to have as much conversion, right? Because the difference between a poorly branded company and a well-branded company is night and day. It's the difference between you having a campaign and having 100 people come and visit your Instagram or your website, and maybe only having 3 or 4 people come and visit your store, or 50 people come and visit your store, because you have a great looking website, you've got great branding, you've got great product imagery, your Instagram looks amazing. People don't understand. It's interesting how a lot of times business owners don't put themselves in the shoes of the consumer, even though we're all entrepreneurs and we're all also consumers. And we know that we are going to make decisions about where we're going to order food from or what companies we're going to visit based on how they present themselves. And so no matter how great your marketing is, if you have a poorly branded company, your marketing can only be so effective. So that is the third mistake, is people are investing too much time and energy marketing their business before they've really focused their time and attention in making sure that their brand is amazing. So if you need support with any of this, like I said before, we've got a full-on design team. We can help you with your branding. We've got a marketing team. We can help you with your marketing. We can make sure that you execute this in such a way that really attracts the most attention for your business as possible. But be aware of this, whether you're bringing us on board or you're going to talk to yourself or someone in your staff to do it. They have to know what they're doing. People overlook the power and the importance of marketing, and then when their businesses aren't going amazing, they're like, I have got a great product, but it doesn't matter how great your product is, because people have to know about your business and you have to stay in their awareness. And so I hope that this has helped expand your thoughts around your marketing and how important it is, and know that you have to invest in your marketing first in order for you to make money later. Don't wait for your business to make money in order for you to then invest in marketing, because it doesn't work that way. So hope this has been helpful. If you haven't pressed the like button yet, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. Any questions or comments, put in the comment box below. If you're not listening to our podcast is on Spotify, it's on iTunes. We also release the episodes on our website. As always, wishing you guys a lot of success. Our mission is to create a world where there are more healthy food service businesses than unhealthy food service cafes, because we need to give the people in our community access in order for them to actually heal. And we all know that there are a lot of chronic and degenerative and sometimes even terminal illnesses that people can resolve if they change their lifestyle and their diet. So we're here to empower you guys and one another so we can create this world. Until next time, this is Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. I'll see you guys soon. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. If you're in a place where you are really inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, The 15 Steps to Starting Your Juice Bar from Scratch. Now, this is going to give you an overview of all the steps that you need to take in order to launch your business. If you want to go even deeper, we created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every single aspect of the business, starting from the very beginning all the way to actually launching a successful juice business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you guys will find a lot of value out of them. As always, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you guys in the next video.